Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking Channel. Today I will share with you a different type of chickpea recipe with fried coconut. For making this recipe, I took 1 cup soaked chickpea. In a pressure cooker, add sufficient water, then add the soaked chickpea along with half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt. Cook until the chickpeas are well cooked and soft. For making coconut onion paste, I took a small bowl coconut pieces and 2 big size onion. Fry the coconut pieces on low flame until it lightly brown color. Take it out and in the same oil add 2 sliced onion. Over medium to low flame, stir the onion continuously until it lightly color change, then take it out. Allow it to completely cool. Now in a grinder jar, add 6 to 7 garlic cloves, half inch grated ginger and 2 slit green chili along with a big size chopped tomato. Blend into paste. Now in a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil and some cinnamon pieces, a bay leaf, big cardamom and quarter teaspoon cumin seeds. Saute for few seconds until lightly color change. Then add the garlic, ginger, tomato and green chili paste over medium to low heat. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Fry this paste until lightly brown. Then add a teaspoon cumin powder and a teaspoon coriander powder and a teaspoon garam masala powder. Over low heat, stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix the masala with this paste. Then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Then add our fried onion and coconut paste. When you will make the chickpea recipe with fried onion and coconut paste, the chickpea recipe will be more tasty. Fry the masala well, then add a teaspoon salt as per your taste and add a teaspoon chole masala. Chole masala is compulsory in this recipe. Cook for 2 minutes over low heat, then add our boiled chickpeas. Pour half a glass water in the grinder jar, then add the water in the boiled chickpea. Add a teaspoon sugar. I like to add some sugar. Then add half a teaspoon garam masala powder. Add some kasuri methi. You can replace the kasuri methi with coriander leaves. Cook over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Our yummy chole recipe is ready for serving. Serve this chole recipe with puri, naan or roti. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe.